Welcome to livejobsinfo.com. Today in this video let us see how to apply for Accenture. Accenture is hiring for analyst position. In order to get this notification, just go to Google and type www.livejobsinfo.com and then just try to find Accenture. If not, you can find in experience jobs. Okay. So let me open Accenture. So here we can see that Accenture is hiring for analyst. As all of us know that Accenture is a very good company. Since the job is related to Accenture operations stream, so now let us see how to apply for this job and know about the Accenture operations. In today's business environment, growth isn't just about building value, it's fundamental to long-term business survival. So how do organizations sustain themselves? It's a very big question. So the answer to this, Accenture says that the key is a new operating model, one that anchored around the customer and propelled by intelligence to deliver exceptional experiences across the enterprise at speed and at scale. You will deliver breakthrough business outcomes for clients by harnessing talent, data and intelligence to revolutionize their operating models. We can get more information about Accenture with their official website www.accenture.com, as they are hiring for the designation of the analyst. So now let us know a few more details. The job location is Gurgaon, and the qualification needed for this job is BCom, and experience needed is 3 to 5 years, and skills required is order to cash processing, customer master data management. It's something like a data management job. So and also it also relates to the analysis of data, so that is why they have provided the designation as analyst. So salary is not mentioned. So since they are hiring for 3 to 5 years of experienced candidate, you can negotiate. Job description would be like you will be aligned with our finance operations vertical and will be helping us in determining financial outcomes by collecting operational reports, which is conducting analysis and reconciling. As we discussed, it is something like an analysis job. You can just go through it, and the desired candidate profile would be like they are looking for individuals who have the following skill set, like strong analytical skills. As all of us know that for analysis, strong analytical skills are very needed, so you can just apply that if you have that. And ability to meet deadlines, process orientation, and roles and responsibilities would be like, in this role you require to analyze things, and also you need to update to your supervisors regarding the reports and all. And also you may have limited exposure with clients under Accenture management. So I think it might be related to like the client management master data thing. You need to analyze things. Now let us see how to apply for this. Just click on this official link. It will be redirected to this. Here you can see the same data, whatever we have just discussed. You can just click on this show more, just go through all these details. Okay, and then just click on this apply now option. It will be redirected to that. Here you need to enter your email address and password. Just complete the sign up process and apply for this. If you are eligible, just apply through it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I have provided that link in the description. Please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get daily job notifications. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.